terms of our students, we are partners. Like scholarship, grants, and other student services, we have to work together in order for our departments to really finish on time.
Thank you, Cheb Unifas Cordillera, for this activity ulit, na especially na may na-invite tayong from the DSWD CAR. Kasi personally, matagal na akong test technical staff, and ngayon ko lang din talaga naunawaan yung prioritization scheme na nakalagay sa guidelines, which is number 1 doon si listahanan. Thank you for this opportunity kasi sa next orientation namin sa TES, mas alam na namin and may incorporate namin yun sa mga estudyante. Hindi lang sa test orientation, pati na rin sa general orientation sa mga lahat ng students enrolled sa Pilipinas State University.